The Indian flag is not just a piece of cloth, it's the embodiment of a nation's struggle for freedom. It's a testament to the sacrifices of countless individuals who dreamt of an independent India. From the pre-independence era to the present day, the tricolour has served as a beacon of unity, guiding the nation towards progress and prosperity. Each stripe, each colour, and the Ashoka Chakra at its heart narrates a story of resilience and hope. The evolution of the Indian flag mirrors the evolution of the Indian nation itself. It reflects the changing political landscape, the aspirations of the people, and the vision of its leaders. The journey began long before 1947, with numerous iterations reflecting the evolving spirit of the freedom movement. Each flag served as a rallying point, galvanizing the masses and inspiring them to strive for a common goal. The story of the Indian flag is not just about its design, but about what it represents, the unwavering spirit of a nation that fought for its right to self-determination. It's a symbol that continues to inspire generations of Indians, reminding them of their shared heritage and the values of unity, peace, and progress that the nation stands for. This essay delves into the fascinating journey of the Indian tricolour, tracing its evolution from a symbol of protest to a symbol of national pride. The quest for a national flag emerged from the heart of the burgeoning nationalist movement in the early 20th century. Before the widespread adoption of the tricolour, various flags, each embodying the spirit of resistance, emerged on the Indian political landscape. One of the earliest attempts was the Calcutta Flag of 1906. Unfurled on the 7th of August 1906 at Parsi Bagan Square in Calcutta, this flag was a powerful symbol of early nationalist aspirations. The Calcutta flag was a tricolour of green, yellow and red. The green stripe represented Islam, the yellow represented Hindu, and the red symbolized various revolutionary groups. This flag, a testament to the burgeoning sense of unity amongst diverse religious communities, marked an important step in the visual articulation of Indian nationalism. While different interpretations of its symbolism exist, its tricolour format undeniably set a precedent for future iterations. Another notable attempt was the Berlin Committee flag, designed in 1917 by Indian revolutionaries in Germany. This flag featured horizontal stripes of green, saffron and red, with the words Vande Mataram inscribed on it. The Berlin Committee flag underscored the growing influence of international events on the Indian freedom movement. These early flags, though different in design and symbolism, laid the groundwork for the eventual adoption of the tricolour. They represented the yearning for freedom, the spirit of unity, and the rejection of colonial rule. These flags served as powerful symbols of resistance, rallying points for a nation on the cusp of transformation. Mahatma Gandhi, acutely aware of the need for a unifying symbol in the fight for independence, played a pivotal role in the evolution of the Indian flag. In 1921, Gandhi proposed a flag to the Indian National Congress. This flag, later known as the Swaraj flag or Gandhi's flag, featured 3 horizontal stripes of green, white and red with a spinning wheel or charkha in the center. The colors of Gandhi's flag held deep symbolism. The green represented Muslims, the white represented other religious communities, and the red symbolized Hindus. The charkha, a symbol of self-reliance and indigenous industry, represented the Gandhian ideal of economic independence. Gandhi's vision extended beyond political freedom. He envisioned a nation that was not only independent but also self-sufficient and united. Gandhi's flag was significant for several reasons. First, it gained immense popularity among the masses, becoming a potent symbol of the nationalist movement. Second, it brought the tricolour format to the forefront, a format that would eventually be adopted for the national flag. Third, It emphasized the importance of symbolism and its power to unite a diverse nation. Gandhi's flag, while not ultimately adopted as the national flag, played a crucial role in shaping the visual identity of the Indian independence movement. It embodied the spirit of unity, self-reliance, and non-violent resistance that came to define India's struggle for freedom. The flag served as a powerful tool for mass mobilization, galvanizing millions under a common symbol of hope and aspiration.